Good morning, students. Welcome you to this class. To the students of Standard 10, I hope you are all fine and keeping well and continuing with your studies. Students, today once again we are back to study about the multi-purpose projects of India. Now, before we start, an important information for you as per the CBC guidelines of the syllabus, the revised syllabus which has been provided by the CBC board, and therefore the chapter 3 of geography, that is water resources, has been deleted. Only the map related questions, the map contents, the map related matters will come in the exam. So therefore today we will study the maps of geography chapter 3. Let's begin the class. Here today we will study about different multi-purpose projects of India. The name of different multi-purpose projects of India, and we will also see across which rivers these dams are built. So we will study the name of dams, and also we will see the name of rivers across which these dams are built and the states where they are located. Therefore students, listen it very carefully when I begin the class. The first multi-purpose project, the first dams is the Damodar Valley, which is very well known to our students. Damodar Valley projects. This dam is built on Damodar River. This dam is built across Damodar River, and this is found in the state of Jharkhand and West Bengal. Now the important things, you have to locate this dam on the given map of India. So you have to mark the place where this Damodar Valley, this project is located on the map of India. So as I told you, this dam is built across Damodar River, and it is located in the state of Jharkhand and West Bengal. So when we come to the map, definitely we will have to mark in the states of Jharkhand and West Bengal where this is located. So when we will mark, definitely we will mark somewhere here, and we will have to write down the name of the river on which this dam has been built. So first of all we have marked the place. Okay, so the dam is built in this place, somewhere in this place. Okay, I have not built the proper outlines of the states, therefore maybe little bit difficult to understand, but approximately we can say that this dam is located somewhere here. And on which river it is, across which river? So it is built across Damodar River. So I hope you understood. The next we go to Bhakra Nangal Dam. Bhakra Nangal, and this project is built on Satluj River. This Bhakra Nangal is built on the Satluj River in the states of Punjab and Haryana and parts of Rajasthan. Now coming to the map, you suppose you have to mark this dam on the given map of India. So where will you mark this dam? So definitely you will mark this dam on the map somewhere here. Somewhere here. Understood? So you will mark this dam somewhere in this place, in the states of Punjab and Haryana, and on which river it is built. So if you have to write down the river's name is Satluj. You can also see, okay, the maps given in your books. Third number is the Hirakud Dam, the largest dam, the longest dam in India. Hirakud Dam. Hirakud Dam is built across Mahanadi, found in the states of Odisha. So, once again, if we have to mark this dam, we have to mark this dam in the state of Odisha, and it is somewhere here. Okay, in the states of Odisha, this Hirakud Dam could be marked in this place. In the states of Odisha, and the name of the river is Mahanadi. The next is the Kosi. The name of the dam is Kosi, and this project is built on river Kosi, located in the states of Bihar. So, when you have to mark this, definitely you will mark it in somewhere here in the states of Bihar. In the states of Bihar, you will mark this project. So students, I hope you understood these things. Moving to the next, river Chambal Valley. It's project Chambal Valley. The name of the project is Chambal Valley, built across river Chambal, found in the states of Madhya Pradesh. Now, when you have to mark in this map of India, you have to mark somewhere in this place, in the states of Madhya Pradesh. The river is like this, somewhere in the states of Madhya Pradesh. So if you have to mark, you will have to mark it like this, in this place. It is built across the Chambal River, found in the states of Madhya Pradesh. Next is Tungabhadra. The name of the project is Tungabhadra, and it is built on river Tungabhadra, found in the state of Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. Name of the project is Tungabhadra, built on river Tungabhadra, and it is located in the states of Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. Again, when we have to mark it in the states, in the map, where will you mark it? So you will mark it somewhere here in the states of Karnataka. Tungabhadra river is running like this, so you have to mark somewhere here. The state Karnataka is just above. This is Kerala. This is the state of Kerala in this way, and just above Kerala there is a Karnataka. Tungabhadra river is here, attached with the Krishna river, and here you can locate the Tungabhadra dam in the river Tungabhadra in the state of Karnataka. Next is Nagarjuna Sagar. The name of the project is Nagarjuna Sagar. It is built across river Krishna and found in the state of Andhra Pradesh. River Krishna originates from somewhere here, just above Karnataka. River Krishna originates from here and then it drains it into like this and goes to states of Andhra Pradesh. River Krishna or start or like this from this and goes to Andhra Pradesh. So Nagarjuna Sagar, okay. So the Nagarjuna Sagar is built somewhere here in the states of Andhra Pradesh. So students, these are the name of different river valley projects or multi-purpose projects or dams built on different rivers in India. I have also told you where it is they are located. So students, you have to study the name of different these dams. Also, you have to find out where these different dams are built, on which river and in which state they are found. Also, sometime your question may be like that: locate the different rivers given in the map of India. So you have to also read the different name of rivers. For example, river Krishna, where it is located. So as I told you, river Krishna originates in the states of this, okay, near Karnataka, above Karnataka, and goes to Andhra Pradesh. So you have to locate the name of the different rivers in the map. So hope it is helpful for you to study the different maps, different dams and different rivers in India. So that's all for today. All the best. Study properly. Hope this video will help you. That's all. Fine. Thank you.